Hello everyone, in this tutorial video, we will show how a DEO can apply medical assistance scheme in NBOCWWB portal. Please make sure to have all the necessary documents ready and available before applying for the scheme. Below are the list of document checklist. Now, let's apply for the scheme. Log into your dashboard and navigate to Claims. Go to the Claims and select the medical from the drop-down list. Enter the beneficiary registration number. The system will check the eligibility. On successful validation, it will redirect to the next page. Upload all necessary documents. And enter the hospital admission and discharge date. Enter appropriate remark. Click on Submit to apply the claim. On success, a claim ID will generate and a confirmation message will be shown. Next, we will show how to view the claim. Select the claim ID from the list and go to Options and click on View. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.